Hello friends, welcome to my another video. So today I'm going to show you the new JBL Go 3 speaker. So this is a new speaker which I bought today and it was delivered today in Amazon. The speaker is like this. I ordered a teal color one, and if you click on this thing, it's not clear. There are two buttons. This is the Bluetooth button and this is the power button. So I'll offer. If you off also, the sound will come, and if you on it, it comes. The sound will come and it will be on. You can connect with any device like this. And settings, Bluetooth, and then it's connected. So you can play this song like this. I have reduced this. This is maximum sound. You can hear how loud it is.
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Har Har Bhole Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Har Har Bhole Namah.
This is the pause and play button, and these two are the sound increase volume button. So this is like this. I will get a Go 3 logo here and light. If you put it on charge, you'll get a red light. And this is you can put any Type C charger. You can get, if you order on Amazon, you'll get this charger for free with the speaker. So it has some warranty, but they have not given the time of warranty. If you play also.
Shivaya, Rameshwaraya, Shiv Ramesh.
Highest volume. Increase.
Rameshwaraya, Har Har Bhole Namah.
It is half itself, it's enough for you to hear. Half or bit. You can put many party songs in this to do.
Har Har Bhole.
So this is the unboxing of JBL Go 3 speaker. Thank you.